What's up, what's going on, ladies and germs, boys and girls? As you guys can see, it's the Thrift God Paul Cantu back with a brand new trip to the Thrift. And today I want to give a big special shout out and thanks to the video sponsor, which is Mercari, a premium app to buy and sell vintage goods or anything and everything under the sun. Get it out, make a little bit of side cash. It's super simple with Mercari. We'll get into that a little bit later, but yeah, if you guys don't have it on your phone, download it and get to it, man. But yeah, we're live outside the first spot with Lil Kinky Twist, an avid Mercari user. Is that right?
Yeah, yes, sir.
What you be doing on that? You be buying gear?
Yeah, I be buying, I be selling, all that.
It ain't no telling, man. And how, bro? First of all, how legit is Mercari?
Bro, 100.
Ooh, legit. Anyways, guys, yeah, I actually went to a store before this one, but I forgot my darn memory card. So we're gonna do a little time traveling and get in the first spot right now, and I'll show you guys what I got. My guys, not like this. I am big sad, okay? How do I pull up to the Thrift? With a camera. Yeah, I don't have the memory card. Personal foul, tripping.
Personal foul, tripping.
But it's the phone foul.
Pick up the phone, baby.
Anyways, guys, I found a lot of things up in here, so let's just check these out. And I had to take off the case, I had to drop all my gear on the table and get ready because your eyes are gonna thank you. All right, check these heaters out. All right, first and foremost, you guys know what the business is. If you want some pollinators on your pants, better yet, shorts, we got it here. Flour encrusted for $7. The Tommy for your mommy shorts, super sick. Dude, these will get your allergies acting an ass, trust and believe. Also, somebody left me this amazing shirt at the cash register. So shout out that boy, Jason, you heard? Also, some essential crew necks, Sports Illustrated. I love the swimsuit edition. Not gonna lie, it's how I got my rocks off as a kid. $7. You also got the Wyoming Champion essential right here. Nice deep mac and cheese, $9, $4.50 today. And this shirt is actually one of my favorite pieces, as early 2000s as it gets. My man is racing a dragon. Mushu, better yet.
Down, Bessie.
With the fire on the sleeve.
Sway.
Bruh, cut and sew action. No boundaries. I think this is like a 2000s Walmart brand. And then the back, bruh, 564. Yes, that's like a countdown out of order if you're dyslexic with numbers. That's what I'm talking about. Harley Owners Group, Istanbul. Listen to it. Sorry, I'm assaulting like our national bird, but that is some thick screen printing. I love it. Now the jacket section was smacking. Nike boys, we don't do three strikes. $7, $3.50. Pipe it up, pipe it up, pipe it, right? And then this banger. Hold on, y'all ain't even ready for this. Y'all ain't even ready for this. All right, check it out. Sorry, my mask is drooping, dude. Carhartt, wait, what? Carhartt banger. $6.50, rounds up to 7.5 off. It has this logo embroidered, but that's a cool looking logo. It doesn't say something like Paul's Piping. That would be actually hard. It also has the waterproof, breathable fabric. Oh yes, baby. Let it breathe, let it out. Carhartt buttons. This thing is amazing. It is new, but it is weatherproof, hurricane proof. Any season it works. Acid washed, hand sprayed with the bleach. Blah, blah, blah. Check this out. Guess jeans, Guess denim. I bet you can't guess what's up in them. These are super sick, super clean. Houston Dynamo soccer jersey. Hey, I got the pants and I found the jersey. That's what's up. $3, $1.50, and then two Fresh Prince-esque 90s crazy button-ups. I love them. And then last and certainly not least, my guys, I found this Tigger golf polo, right? And I was talking to my homie and he was right across the aisle and he found an absolute banger. Check his out. Oh my God, look at that boy tuning it up and hitting the putt. Wow, what an athlete. And he's his own damn caddy. Perfect. Out that thing. Sometimes you gotta remind these people, what's up? What's up? We back in Houston and we're finding All right, now that we're back, I just want to show you guys how I get my dolphin sound effects. It's from this water bottle. Check it out.
Flawless. Let's get in the first spot, second spot.
Guys, in here, this is what I love to see, man. They got some long sleeves out. It's about time. Veil, all embroidered. Look at the color palette. Beautiful, sun is shining, weather is sweet. And then you have the vintage jerseys, brand new with tags. Just look at the measurements. Look at the science. $3, man.
Oh,
Beautimus DS. I love to see it. Schematics out the wazoo. All right, real quick, I'm just gonna show you guys how to list these things because it is so simple. All you gotta do is snap a couple photos, say what you're selling, describe the items, select the category, a brand, condition, and the size, and then you're good to go. Also, pricing is so damn simple on this app. It has a feature called Smart Pricing, so it'll show you other sales for similar items, and you guys can just chunk that in. And then Mercari's so smart, it just automatically knows a rough estimate of what to charge for shipping on the weight of the item. So super simple, super easy, and then it tells you success. But yeah, Mercari's a great place to buy other stuff as well. I was looking at vintage snapbacks earlier. If you guys need transportation, you can buy electric scooters. Pretty much anything under the sun, you guys can throw up on Mercari and list and or buy. So it is a premium platform offered for free $99, which I highly recommend you guys use. Click the link in the video description to download this bad boy, and also comment your Mercari. I think I'm gonna go ahead and purchase some items from you guys and from the Mercaris y'all list in the comment section down below, just as a fun little follow-up to all you guys who do have items on there. I can show some love back since you guys always show love viewing these videos. So yeah, if you guys want to start slanging some vintage off your shelves that you pick up in the thrift, look no further than my good friends at Mercari. Okay, anyways, let's get back in the trenches and see what else we can find. Hey, check this tee out that I found too. You hear me? Look at this. Banging. It's like a dirt road racing tee, 4XL, big sizes for you big boys. Y'all know what it is. Say now, boy.
Can I take you for a ride on my big green tractor?
Oh, yes, you can. Holy hell, what is that, a John Deere?
Yes, sir.
Single stitch?
Yes, sir.
Woo, nice lemon lime. Hold on. Hey, come plow my field, boy.
We can go slow or make it go faster.
Yeah, right there, man.
I got that yellow M&M.
1992. Is he pulling out? What is this? Is that like a kidney infection he's pulling out? Kidney stone?
I think so.
Hey guys, we got some beautiful Carhartt jeans, and all I can say is these are reasonable. Number one, the price, $3. Number two, the size, 32 by 34. Perfect. Usually these are size like 48 in the waist. And it has a reasonable wash as well. Let's check it out. Reasonable logo on the back. Reasonable amount of distressing. Yeah. Looks like someone hit him with that back shot, man. That's great. All right, so the cart's loaded up. I think I got like 6 of those and 4 of these, so we have 10 hats all together. All-Star Game edition, but dude, look, how did they get this brim like this? Come on, man, this is like a deformed mouth lid. Like, how is this sitting at this obtuse of an angle?
Trippy.
We're about to depart out of this spot. Dude, last little find is that early 2000s. I love 2000s Nike gear. Check it out. This kind of has like a chrome saw blade design. Nike on the front right there with, of course, the horizontal stripe. Tree. Let's go. All right, guys, we're off that thing, man. Got a bag of nothing but fitteds, and then Kinky got a bag of nothing but shirts. Look at his fit, though, dude.
Sweat.
Hey, turn around, man. Show him the frontal. Oh, that boy loped out.
Yes, sir.
Like he lost his damn mind. See, this is what happens when you have the internet, man. Seriously. All right, guys, so that was a hit. What up, baby? What's good, homie? All right, here we go, man. Next spot that we're raiding and pillaging is the plug. You guys know what time it is. Family Thrift Outlet on Hillcroft Street, $2 everything. Hey, there's nothing better than coming in and finding a little piece that praises smoking a dart while you're driving. Winston Cup Series, Swingster, made in USA. Look at that eagle going off the cigarettis. Whoo-wee. Guys, Grailicious find already. Check it out. Boom. Found the shorts. Now we got the crew neck, Guess jeans, Guess denim. Bet you can't guess what's up in them. There's a what?
A hole in the sleeve.
Why are you trying to shit on my parade, bro? There is a hole on the sleeve, but hey, it makes it more breathable. Dude, dude. Look what Kingster just found. Waterproof, drip proof, yet it is they drip, okay? It's they drip.
Drippin'.
It's the Portland Blazers Apex 1 vintage coach jacket. Oh my. Let's show them how sleep they are. It's time to wake up, baby. We're the alarm clock. Look at this. Antigua Sports. Look at this.
Bro, look at that sleeve work. Come on. Man. Come on, bro.
Ah, Chicago Bears, and then look at this, man. Anheuser-Busch.
And how is it?
Wow, this is looking like a medieval shield right here, baby.
That shit.
Ugh, that material feels horrible.
Yeah.
Shout out Valet, or whatever this is. Valley without the Y. It's artistic that way.
That vintage Liberators.
All right, dude, this has Adolf on it. Yo, dude.
That vintage OU shirt.
More toilet paper. Hey,
Dang.
might be a shortage coming up here.
And then that Donald Duck.
All embroidered. Where's this hat?
That triple Donald.
Hey, you ain't winning if you ain't tripling. Hey, ain't nothing straighter than straightening.
You don't get shit straight, you don't straighten it.
What that is right there.
That Carlsberg.
Is that British? I was a little British.
Shippers of beer.
Oh, the shippers of beer.
Tripping.
Oh, that's hate right there.
Riders of Bristol.
Oh, right, Bristol. Let her suck my pistol.
Yeah?
Yeah. I met her mother. Her name was Crystal.
Okay.
Yeah, I let her suck on my crystal balls.
Wait,
You didn't let me finish. Minus one, that's free quick maths.
-1, that's free quick maths.
All right, guys, football season legit is right around the corner, and I found a legend, absolute legend, saucing like a dolphin. Danis, wait for it, Marinas. Dude, got the Dan Marino jersey.
Get a drive going, man. Let's get a drive going and score some damn points.
Oh, that's a heater right there. That's Harley too?
sir.
Oh yeah, that's my size, man. Size youth large. No, but these are meant to fit schmal. Look at that little pocket for narcotics. Got the little cufflet right there. Size 40 regular. AMF. Bowling meets Harley Davidson. I'll take it. Dude, absolute Chipotle honey chicken crispers. Check this out. Daytona, vintage. Champion Green Bay, vintage. Alita, vintage. Then you have the Stedman. Start each day with a smile. Super, super soft. Butamus, 1980s, made in USA. My size. I actually had one of those shirts. I think I sold it, but Kinky just said, bro. So I assume he found a little girl. What you got?
And gray tag.
Made in USA.
With the
Air
sleeves cut
Jordan
off.
Flight. This was a crew neck? Bro, that's hard though. It could be a sweater vest. Dude, that is super sick. All I need is a tennis, like a little tennis skirt. That over a little button up. I'll be looking like a TikTok thought. Sway. Aspirations. What is this? Orpheus?
Yeah.
Oh, the
I
lyrical
didn't
legend.
know your name was Orpheus, so.
Yeah,
Because you're
man.
the only lyrical legend I know.
Thanks, dude. I met her mother. Her name was Crystal.
Okay.
Yeah, I let her suck on my crystal balls.
Wait, what?
Check out this little classy hater. Bro, look at this. Pink velvet. Actually, that's satin. My fault. I don't know my material. Avanti Fierro. Size small. A pink leather jacket. Oh, man. What this came off of? A Care Bear?
Giving back to the hood ink.
Uh-oh. Yes, sir. It's on the back.
I stepped up to bat for my community by giving
Getting back to the hood. Amen to that, brother. God, this jacket is nice, man. 1989. That Brookville basketball, volleyball, softball. Dang, triathlete. Hold on, Big Jody. Yeah, you found me some kicks while you're running away.
Bro.
You found me some shoes?
Yeah.
My size, man?
Yes, sir.
Hey, the Clifford Red trees. Guys, this is the most artistic thing I think I've ever seen, dude. They try to make it an all over print. Puff painted out, handcrafted. What is this? The Edith Slocum Elementary School. That's art.
Is what you interpret it to be.
All right, guys, we're about to skedaddle on out of here with 2 last grails, man. 2 last grails. Check them out, dude. Oh, bro, you got the Stone Cold 316 Steve Austin looking like he's inside a plutonium reactor or something. That is crazy. And then as if one isn't enough, you got another one.
Another one.
The No Mercy Stone Cold tee with the shades. Look at this print, man. Nice little honeycomb on it. Then on the back, you got the snake in the shades. Bruh.
Wow. Dude, I absolutely love it. Okay, so we're back right now, guys, and these wrestling tees are absolutely unbelievable, hands down. Some of the top finds I have ever gotten. People are going crazy on my Instagram asking me about them. They are super sick, and I'm so blessed to have found them. Man, if you guys want to find wrestling tees and other things that are similar, then definitely, again, check out Mercari. I can't thank them enough for sponsoring the video and for supporting. What I like the most about Mercari is it's not as taxed as some other buying platforms. Like, you can snipe some great deals on Mercari, which is amazing. And yes, if you guys are into selling vintage or buying it, then definitely check out Mercari. It just expands your audience to millions of more people, and you'll have more people looking at your gear and potentially buying your products. Now, I blazed over these, but legit, dude, I found like 10 brand new era fitteds as well in the second store of the day that I went to, all St. Louis All-Star Games fitteds. So yes, if you guys want blessings, you already know, take a trip to Thrift Heaven and receive some blessings from the Thrift God. Y'all know what time it is. Check out Mercari, link in video description. Check out my Instagram, of course, and my vintage Instagram as well. Thank you guys, as always, for dropping comments. And yeah, dude, if you want to find a great place to sell and buy gear, Mercari. Catch y'all next time. I'm locked, I'm loaded, and I'm out. Peace!
Killing these songs, leaving a bloody life I roost. And I'm in it to win it, so I'm somebody that you should get